Are you looking for the best tower computers for gaming? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best tower computers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. CyberPowerPC Gamer Master PC. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Master offers a powerful gaming experience with its AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor, which provides 6 cores running at 3.6 GHz. This ensures smooth gameplay and multitasking capabilities. It features a Radeon RX 6400 graphics card with 4 GB of memory, allowing you to enjoy high-quality visuals and immersive gaming. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, you can run multiple applications simultaneously without lag. The 500 GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD offers fast loading times and ample storage for your games and files, enhancing your overall efficiency and enjoyment. What we like: powerful AMD Ryzen processor, high-quality Radeon graphics, fast SSD storage, ample RAM for multitasking. Number 2. STGAubron Gaming Desktop PC. This is the STGAubron Gaming PC, a high-performance gaming desktop computer that is also well-suited for a variety of tasks, including study, home, business, photo and video editing, and streaming. With an Intel Core i7 processor up to 3.9 GHz, 16 GB memory, 512 GB solid-state drive, an AMD Radeon RX 588G GDDR5 video card, this computer is capable of running a wide range of popular games with 60+ FPS, such as Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, and Minecraft. Additionally, the computer features 6 RGB fans, an RGB keyboard and mouse, an RGB mouse pad, and an RGB BT sound bar, providing a stylish and immersive gaming experience. With 1-year parts and labor and free lifetime tech support, this is a great option for gamers and non-gamers alike. What we like: high performance, wide range of tasks, stylish RGB design. Number 3. Dell RGB Gaming Tower Computer. The Dell Gaming Tower PC is designed for serious gamers and multitaskers alike. With its powerful Intel Core i7 6th Gen processor, you can enjoy seamless gaming and efficient performance for all your tasks. The NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphics card lets you experience the latest games in stunning detail, ensuring an immersive gaming experience. Plus, with 16 GB of RAM, you can easily switch between multiple applications without lag. The 512 GB SSD provides quick data access, making your computing tasks faster and more efficient. This tower is a versatile solution for both gaming and daily activities. What we like: powerful Intel Core i7, NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphics, 16 GB RAM for multitasking, fast 512 GB SSD storage, customizable RGB lighting. Number 4. CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. The CyberPowerPC Gaming PC is powered by an Intel Core i5-13400F processor, providing you with a solid 2.5 GHz performance for all your gaming needs. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, you can enjoy smooth multitasking and gaming experiences without lag. The 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD ensures fast load times and ample storage for your games and files. Additionally, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card delivers stunning visuals, making your gaming sessions more immersive. This combination of features makes it a fantastic choice for gamers looking for power and efficiency. What we like: high-performance processor, fast storage capacity, impressive graphics capability, sleek design with RGB lighting. Number 5. Dell RGB Gaming Desktop i7-6700. The Dell RGB Gaming Desktop is powered by an Intel Core i7-6700 processor, reaching speeds of up to 4.0 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for gaming and multitasking. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, you can run multiple applications without lag, enhancing your productivity. The 1TB solid-state drive offers ample storage space and faster load times for your games and files. Enjoy stunning visuals with the NVIDIA GeForce GT 1030 graphics card, which supports high-definition displays for an immersive gaming experience. This desktop also features vibrant RGB lighting, adding a personal touch to your gaming setup. What we like: powerful Intel i7 processor, ample 16 GB RAM, fast 1TB SSD storage, NVIDIA GT 1030 graphics, RGB lighting features.